Hello everyone, today I am here to tell you about our coming festival, that is Raksha Bandhan. As the brothers and sisters are as close as hands and feet. आज मैं आपको बताऊंगी कैसे आप घर में आसानी से राखी बना सकते हैं। फर्स्ट आपको क्या लेना है, सम राइस, मौली, सीजर, फेविकॉल and waste cutting of paper. Make one circle with waste cutting. Then you have to put fevicol, then place the rice like this in a circle way. Now take a molly and do it like this. Then cut it. Now tie it from the center one. Then cut from here. Now make it in the position of circle. And give it finishing. Give the finishing in the shape of circle. Now take this thread and do it as we do our ponytail. Your first Rakhi is ready. See the rice in the circle. Then I have pasted the moli. Then I have made the ponytail and pasted. So this is very easy Rakhi you can make in your home. For second Rakhi you need some ribbons, scissor, fevicol and some cutting of paper. Then take the cutting of paper and put the fevicol in it. Then you have to do like this and paste it like this, and you have to paste this in a round manner. Do every ribbon and paste it in a round manner. As I have taken this circle, cutting of circle, then I have pasted the ribbon like this, and then I have decorated it with the material, and then I have pasted the ribbon at the back. So this is your second Rakhi, which is very easy and you can make in your home. For third one, what you require is scissor, fevicol, ribbon and one thread. Now what you have to do is just same like this we have done of moli, same like this of thread. It is very easy to make it. You can make in your homes. Then take it out. Then tie it from the center. Again cut it from both sides. From here also. And make it in the circle of and give it finishing. as I have given the finishing to it, and I have pasted this yellow ribbon at the back of this, and one button I have pasted in between it. Third one, it is also very easy to make in your home. So now I am giving you sum up of this video. Let's see. As I have made the first Rakhi, you can make the same like this, and I have made of ribbon Rakhi as you are seeing that, and you can make same like this, and you can give any design it. And third one, I have made this, and you can also use any thread in between the color you like. So try these Rakhis in your home and give love to your brothers. Happy Raksha Bandhan to all.